Hey friends, welcome back. If you're struggling with arthritis, joint pain, or inflammation, I've got something natural that changed my life. No pills. No prescriptions. Just one powerful remedy from something most of us throw away: avocado seeds. Yep, you heard me right, avocado seeds. Before I started this, my pain was at a 10, honestly, more like a 10,000 on some days. I was desperate for relief. And this one simple remedy did what nothing else could. Let me show you exactly how to make it and how I use it. Step 1. Take avocado seeds, wash them thoroughly and chop them into small pieces. Step 2. Place them in a glass jar. Step 3. Pour in 91% isopropyl rubbing alcohol, just enough to fully cover the chopped seeds. Step 4. Let the mixture soak for at least 24 hours. This allows the powerful compounds from the avocado seed to infuse into the alcohol. Now, here's where it gets important. Most people say just dip a cotton ball in and wipe it over the area of pain. But I take it one step further. I soak a cotton pad, squeeze out the extra, wipe the area, and then place that same pad directly on the center of my pain. I leave it there for several hours. That's when I felt the real difference. My pain went from a full-blown 10 to a 1. No joke. Just so we're clear, this is not meant to be ingested. This is a topical solution. You apply it on your skin using a cotton swab or pad. I'm saying this clearly because no one is drinking this. Don't be that person. It's not for internal use. It's a rub-on remedy only. Listen, I know how hard living with chronic pain can be. If you've tried everything and nothing helps, please give this a shot. It's cheap, natural, and for me, it worked better than anything else I've tried. If you've used this before or try it after watching this, drop a comment below and let me know how it worked for you. And if you want more natural remedies that actually work, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Take care, and remember, nature often has the answers our bodies are looking for. If this remedy helped you, or if you're curious to try it, don't keep it to yourself. Hit like so this can reach others who are living with pain. And don't forget to subscribe for more natural healing tips just like this one. Speech balloon, drop a comment if you've ever used avocado seeds for pain relief, or share your own remedy. Your story could help someone else feel seen, heard, and healed. Television on-screen CTA text, simple and bold ***. Thumbs up like if you want more natural pain relief tips. Bell subscribe for weekly health remedies. Speech balloon, comment your experience or remedy below.